How to buy FREGO token AI crypto coin How-to by Solana Meteora RAYDIUM Moonshot blockchain agent. Deep dive into FRGO token, AI and Web3 safety infrastructure on Solana blockchain. Hey everyone, HelperDog here, back with another video. Today, we're diving into the FRGO token, a project that's been gaining a lot of attention in the crypto space. This token is based on the Solana blockchain, and it has quickly gained momentum with a market cap of $15 million at the time of recording. This token is part of an exciting project focused on AI safety, Web3 infrastructure, and decentralized governance. We'll break down what the token is all about, how you can acquire it, and why it might be an interesting project to keep an eye on. But before we get started, just a quick reminder. Cryptocurrency investments carry high risks, and I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm just sharing information. Always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose, especially in the highly volatile world of crypto. What is the FRGO token? The FRGO token is a relatively new token that operates on the Solana blockchain. It's part of a project called FRGO, which aims to integrate AI safety with Web3 infrastructure. This project has the potential to drive real innovation, as it combines cutting-edge technology with decentralized principles to align AI with humanity's interests. The name FRGO is derived from free and ego, which symbolizes the project's mission to create a future where AI is aligned with human needs and is free from ego-driven motives. FRGO's core focus: AI safety and alignment. What sets FRGO apart is its dual mandate: AI safety and alignment. The project is focused on making sure that AI systems remain safe and aligned with human values as they continue to evolve. This is an incredibly important issue in the world of artificial intelligence and something that the FRGO team takes seriously. Agentic infrastructure. The FRGO ecosystem is built around agentic infrastructure, which provides the tools and frameworks necessary for creating decentralized, autonomous systems. This infrastructure is built into their FRGO OS, a platform designed to launch and manage decentralized AI agents. The project aims to use memetic engineering to shape AI behavior. This means that the FRGO DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, will create a set of rules known as the FRGO Constitution to define what constitutes good AI behavior. The idea is to use these rules to guide the behavior of AI models and ensure that they serve humanity's interests. How to buy FRGO token. If you're interested in getting your hands on some FRGO tokens, the process is pretty straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Choose a wallet. You'll need a wallet that supports Solana, SOL, tokens, as FRGO is based on the Solana blockchain. Popular wallet options include Phantom, Solflare, Trust Wallet, and MetaMask, with Solana network support. Fund your wallet. To buy FRGO, you first need to fund your wallet with SOL, the native token of the Solana blockchain. You can buy SOL on popular exchanges and transfer it to your wallet. There are plenty of exchanges where you can purchase SOL, such as Binance, FTX, or Kraken. Find the token on DEXs. Once your wallet is funded with SOL, you can head over to decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Jupiter or Meteora to trade SOL for FRGO. These platforms allow you to directly swap your SOL for FRGO using the provided contract address. Make sure you get the correct contract address from trusted sources like the project's official website, DEX tools, or their Linktree. Trade your SOL for FRGO. After connecting your wallet to the DEX, search for FRGO using the contract address and complete the transaction. You might need to pay a small gas fee for the transaction. Understanding FRGO's ecosystem. Let's talk a bit more about what makes the FRGO ecosystem unique. The platform is built around a few key components that together form a comprehensive AI alignment and safety infrastructure. FRGO Agent Launcher. This is the first product in the FRGO OS ecosystem. It allows users to create AI agents in a matter of seconds, completely free of charge. These agents can perform a variety of functions, such as chatting on Telegram, posting on Twitter, or even viewing images. The goal is to make AI technology more accessible and easy to use for everyone. Memetic engineering. One of the core strategies of FRGO is memetic infection, which involves spreading the FRGO constitution through the internet to guide AI systems towards safer behavior. This could have a significant impact on how AI models evolve and how they are trained going forward. Governance by DAO. Holders of FRGO tokens are part of the FRGO DAO and can participate in the governance of the project. This means you can vote on important proposals related to AI safety, development, and the future direction of the project. The FRGO Constitution. This document defines what good AI behavior looks like and guides the development of all AI agents within the FRGO ecosystem. The DAO is responsible for maintaining and updating the Constitution over time, ensuring that it remains relevant as technology evolves. FRGO's roadmap. The FRGO team has an ambitious roadmap ahead. Here's a breakdown of the key milestones they've achieved and what's coming next. Completed. FRGO AI Launcher allows users to easily create AI agents. FRGO Constitution. Define the principles for AI safety. Web3 safety-tuned AI models. Introduced models aligned with FRGO's goals of safe AI. Currently in development. FRGO Governance Platform. A platform for token holders to participate in governance. Agentic Scoring Platform. A system to rate the performance and safety of AI agents. Open source safety toolkits. Frameworks like ELIZA and Ziri that can be used to develop safe AI models. Future goals, 2025 and beyond. Cross-chain support. Expand the platform to support multiple blockchains for greater interoperability. Federated safety and alignment learning. A system where AI can learn from various sources in a secure and aligned manner. Universal development standards for safe AI. The establishment of global standards for developing and deploying safe AI technologies. Risks and considerations. While FRGO is an exciting project with a lot of potential, it's important to remember that investing in cryptocurrency, especially in a project as innovative as this one, comes with high risks. AI safety and Web3 infrastructure are cutting-edge fields, and FRGO's success depends on many factors, including technological development, regulatory approvals, and community support. So, always be cautious and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Final thoughts. In summary, FRGO is an innovative project focused on aligning AI with human values through decentralized governance and cutting-edge infrastructure. Its unique approach to AI safety and memetic engineering could have a profound impact on the future of AI development. However, as with any investment in crypto, there are significant risks involved, and you should only invest after conducting thorough research. Check out the FRGO token on DEX Tools or DEX Screener, and if you're interested in getting involved, make sure you follow the steps outlined above to purchase the token. Let me know what you think about this project in the comments. Do you think FRGO has the potential to revolutionize AI safety? Or is this just another speculative project? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for daily crypto updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This version is more detailed, includes the risks associated with crypto investments, and provides a clearer structure to help the video last longer. It should comfortably hit the 10-minute mark with a thorough explanation of the project, how to buy the token, and its potential future. Thank you, dear friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like and write in the comments whether my method helped you. See you soon, friends. Peace out.